How to order from Alibaba app. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open your Alibaba app and click on any of the thing that you want to order. And here you can see the option of chat now. So, you can simply chat with the seller, or you can send your inquiry and send whatever queries you have, and you can simply call some of the seller to clear your doubts about your items. If not, you can simply add this product to cart and go back and go to your cart and order whatever items you have kept in your cart. If you like this video, or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.